Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a tutorial on how to build a website for free using GeneratePress. First things first, click the link in the description box to access the platform. So, let's jump right in. GeneratePress is a lightweight, fast, and customizable WordPress theme that's perfect for creating professional-looking websites without the need for coding knowledge. First, you'll need to have a WordPress website set up. If you haven't already done so, you can easily create one by signing up for a free account on WordPress. Once you have your WordPress website ready, log into your dashboard. From the sidebar, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Click on Add New and search for GeneratePress. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate to make it your active theme. Now that GeneratePress is installed, let's customize your website. Navigate to Appearance and then Customize. Here you'll find a range of options to personalize your site's appearance. GeneratePress also offers a range of customization options for the overall layout of your website, including options for the layout, typography, and colors. GeneratePress offers a variety of Google fonts to choose from, so take your time to find the perfect combination. It also offers individual elements customization such as the header, navigation menu, and blog posts. Explore these options to fine-tune the appearance of your site to your liking. Once you're happy with the overall look and feel of your website, don't forget to click Publish to save your changes. Now that your website looks great, it's time to start adding content. Navigate to Posts to create blog posts or Pages to create static pages like an About page or Contact page. With GeneratePress, you have the flexibility to create a website that suits your needs. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store. And there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a free website using GeneratePress. With its powerful features and ease of use, GeneratePress is a fantastic option for anyone looking to create a professional website without breaking the bank. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description box to try GeneratePress. Thank you for watching.